Hi everyone, so in this video I'm talking teeth and how you can heal your cavities, and I'm going to be telling you about this product here, which is your fermented cod liver oil and butter oil from Green Pasture. I've mentioned in videos before I have terrible problems with my teeth. I've been doing all the right things. I've been taking this for a few months now, and I've also been taking my Celtic salts and my sea moss. I've been doing all the right things and I haven't been seeing an improvement. And a few days ago I found out why. It's because caffeine depletes minerals, and also if you've been on levothyroxine for any amount of time, I've been on it for 23 years, that actually depletes your bone mass, so your teeth are bones. So there we go. Now I bought this book a little while ago called Cure Tooth Decay. Remineralize cavities and repair your teeth naturally with good food. So diet is a thing, and yes, it's the age-old thing of cut out the sugar because it is bad. So I've just gone caffeine-free with my coffee, and I've stopped having sugar. So that's going to take a little bit of getting used to. So the book says if you have tooth decay, you are deficient in vitamins A and D. To make up for the deficiency, more of these vitamins will be required as you make your changes. So the way you do this is, it literally says here, cod liver oil heals cavities. When vitamins A and D are taken together, they are not toxic. The most potent and easy way to consume the fat-soluble vitamins A and D together is cod liver oil. 1 teaspoonful of good cod liver oil has the vitamin A equivalent to 5.5 quarts of milk, 1 pound of butter, or 9 eggs. Now he actually recommends in this book this brand, Green Pastures. He says produces the highest quality, most nutrient dense cod liver oil on the market, and it has to be fermented, so it's not just your any old cheapo brand from the supermarket or something. It has to be the good stuff, you guys. It contains all of the cod liver's vitamin D intact, because they use a fermenting process rather than a distillation process. The cod liver oil doesn't get heated, and it is carefully filtered to keep all of its natural vitamins. So as a result, there can be a moderate biting aftertaste. I have never ever had an aftertaste with this, you guys, never. But it's not a problem for most people. So the dosage is a quarter to a half a teaspoon, 2 to 3 times per day for teens, and adults for a total of 1/2 to 1.5 teaspoons a day. So you have to take 2 of these capsules 3 times a day. Okay, so the other thing that he goes on then to talk about is your butter oil. So you need a high vitamin butter oil, which obviously is included in this, it's both. And you need to start having raw butter, so grass-fed, butter or that kind of thing, or ghee from grass-fed butter where the animal eats rapidly growing green grass. You need raw cream from dairy animals eating the good stuff, eating the grass, and it says fish eggs, but I think I'm probably gonna not do that, because yuck. Okay, so very quickly, that's what you need to get yourself. Has to be the fermented stuff. I'm sorry, it is a little bit more expensive, but this is part of the way that you can actually start healing your cavities. So I will pop my link there for you, and see you next time.